Social media on the very funny. Comment section, even now comment section, one day God will expose you. What? In the Facebook, one of the very funny. Oh, comment on my social media, man, that you make a video. Many comments. One day God will expose you. I asked him, the guy, he said, God will expose me. If I kill your generation, I will not kill, I will not destroy someone's stone. I'm not the one that caused the problem. They misuse the opportunity they have as an Igbo youth. So, whatever misuse, they are suffering for it now. How can somebody just come out and use somebody's past? And you dig a hole, you dig a hole inside your house. So you're a pregnant woman. And you look me finish as Chima Arem Temple. You will come and say, come to my comment section and say, one day God will expose you, not me. God will not expose me, because I don't have anything to expose. The only exposure is this camera I'm used to expose myself. Yes, I'm the one exposing myself. Yeah. If we're a farmer that can big, I don't look for money. I don't look for money. And I'm by fire by force. Now ever. You see, now farm. See, all those people, none of them feel carry that money. But no, I take go occasion, go to spray. I take them, do farm. Yeah. You see, I'm farm. You see, even after here, the other side. You see, wait. Oh, you see, again. Wait. You see here. Here you see farm. So I'm corn. You see, I'll show you again. You see farm. You see farm. You see farm. You see cassava. You see cassava. You see farm. Here you see farm. Then you can see yam. Yam. So now, let me ask you now, how can God not expose it? Am I expecting private jet in my life? Or let me drive big motor? Ask them, I drove a car for 7 years. Allah, Anako. One day God will expose you. God will expose your father. I don't kill. If you like, you peep. No evil you do will last forever. Yes, so every evil you do, one day it must come to expose. Look at my house, the person carry camera, come try to be fake, post them on Facebook, carry my account number, everything. Person when come person in house, what didn't go carry come for mine? You won't call key person, you be armed robber, you read that place, you see the person, you know kill him. I'll say one day God will expose you. Me Chima Aren. Now me carry this work come social media. They abuse them. They abuse work when I put for social media. They abuse them. Look at that idiot from Enugu State. God will punish his generation. Very dirty thing. When you see him in occasion, he will be spraying counter. Useless money, old money. Not a cheer million. Which kind of million? When your house non-compare. You be a ritualist, your house non-compare. You know, see as in life be. In life they useful. No see as the guy they tattered. Because he's a destroyer. It shall be destroyed. Now then they spoil what team person put for social media. How to make money. You carry pregnant woman, put for hole. And your wife born, you dedicate your wife picking. So how you want make your picking they useful? How you want make your picking they useful? How you want make your picking when you born they useful? You dedicate, they tell God, may God bless your picking. But my person picking, now you put inside hole. So they even put person won't get belly for inside pit. Government should not just kill that guy. They should just bring the guy and tie him something on his brocos and use motor to drive him. And drive him around the country. Bring him, they should bring him to me. Let me use my hand and cut off his ear. Are they going to cut for that kind of person? The world have given judgment by hanging his penis. Not even his neck, hang him in his penis. tight it well. Will chain on keta. Body with a key. Very, very useless set of people. Very dirty. They call it very dirty. You think you kill somebody and go scoff. Even if you kill somebody today and nobody knows, one day it will become to expose. You must uproot it. Not everybody must bury in your compound. You must uproot it. You must uproot it one day. Not even if you hide and do it, nobody is seeing you. One day you must uproot it. It must sink. Very useless. If you better say I do juju, you no work than say I carry the person head, go they do juju for you. They're mad. Very useless people. Nah, but I know that's again. Where I did do my spiritual work in my village for a bank, Edo State. So if you want to see me, you want time to find me come. I know they say make after them bomb me, my grandparents and after them day. But person go reach in village. Cause what I told nobody there. But I come after they go outside the politician, at the councillor, president councillor, and also a farmer. I just come, I just do farm. So I just came back from farm now. I came back from farm now. Look at it. Look at. Look at my yam. Some of you say, one day God will expose you. Which kind of God will expose me? I mean, God will expose you now. I work with God. This is my number, but people are using my phone, my pictures to scam people on social media. Keep this number well. See, my heart already. Wow. I amend my life. Slow and steady, win the race. Okay, you as native doctor, you use person, pregnant woman, put for pity. They carry your pikin up, say, may God bless your pikin. God no go bless your pikin. Even that pikin, everybody go die. Because that people own, your wife follow you to chop the money. You tell me say your wife don't know so the man they do that kind of thing. And your wife no know. But he's living with his wife. He's living with his wife. Everything that is blinky must end. Every blinky on social media. It must end. Let's know where we start. Me, where I was at this not to work for how many years? I don't even feel my motor. They can see me say I've changed my rent time bit like I'm not doing any spirit. What will I keep myself? And get to the year when I want to keep bringing motor. My trusty can go in now, no jeep. Commit a crime, man, will rest. You think the person will keep us in the get rest? That's why you see them, they drink. They will be outside midnight drinking. So their mind, they will not be thinking. Restless. If you go there, would demon in Aludi, Mambu. If you go there, would demon in Aludi, Mambu. If you feed demon in Aludi, Mambu, if you are Maruchuku cake. Maruchuku, how can somebody? You will want to eat any monum. Will you call at any monum? That is why I'm telling you. If you are going to any walk, in any place, any spiritual person, make sure you tell your parents where you are going to. Because they will use you there. You will tell you there is midnight walk. You will not know. They will go and kill you or drug you. Many has gone. Many has gone. That's why you see I have my signboard. Chima outside there. If you are coming to my house, tell your parents you are coming to Chima Rent Temple's house. If you're coming, don't tell your friend, don't sneak and come. Don't be proud. You want to come and do juju. Then you are hiding and you hide and die. So many girls will hang out with boys. They will not come back again. They will bring 5 alive, poison it, you will not know with syringe. You drink it and you slept off. They will kill you and sell your pass. Organ harvestors. What kind of money ritual? It's not a money ritual. It's not a money ritual. It's not a money ritual. It's organ harvestors. They are organ harvestors. Which that one get money, same house, and complete them. You do duplex. That one now duplex. You complete that duplex for that small place. You put something like line house and now shrine. Line house. One room, small one. Very useless people. Then I make people now the comments for my platform, for my video. One day your own go expose. They are waiting for me to be exposed. The one that come carry camera can't expose me, say I be fake, inko. That one never still do now. It is a me or go come say God they expose me. Say they keep person. I know they keep person. I know go key. And person no go kill me. Any day when I use person past to do charm. Me, I know not person charm. I see him with my eye. Make I die. Make gods of the land strike me to death. Sure. I dey cost myself join now. But if I don't do her, nothing. If you put body, you go collect. What not go serve? What not serve will go render you useless. Useless people. There is how somebody will build a house. You put a soccer pit inside the house, throwing people there. A pregnant woman for that matter. And the woman newly died there. You have the ghost. Yes, so I'm in my home. I'm in my village. I do my village, your guy. See, I do my village. I do farm because we are good in farming. So I put eye for farm. I put corn, put yam, put melon, put watermelon, put okra, put pumpkin leaf, ogo. Yeah, so if you don't work, no work, I carry my yam chop. This belly, I eat food, hour. Sleep, wake up, and one day break, we see how. Maybe say more still must drive private jet. This is my third party. I pray maybe this one no spoil. Oh. That's my last hope now. For now, I'm not to buy any motor. I don't get since 7 years now I drive since. I can't wonder how this boy said they get this money. I go say, what that how food foreman than they use. I'm not mad can dey and they do. Ebo na ebe ko bu mu aba ofia. Nwere isi m lekwa na am okay dibia. Chukwu ya kpo na ok. Na make me no dey come out to say you occasion me. Go do what in. I trust you. May you use me do experiments. Very useless people. Somebody will come to your house, you kill that person, you want to do spiritual. Nowhere you go, what I'm telling you, don't go out in the house, you want to go to spiritual work in Native Daughter's house. And the people did not know. And the people did not know. That means you want to die. Tell your people where you are going to. Even if you are coming to my house, tell people you are coming to my house. Let me speak with your mother or your wife. But if you just go and sneak, I can why na agba show. Well, I ban na ga apoko je lamu. Omo na ebo na je lamu na am kale 12 ebe ga be PIC. Belala. So many of them slept with their mother. So many of them slept with their children. So many people are doing evil all because of the way they mislead them. They don't tell you to go and eat shit. They don't want to tell you to go and kill your mother. They don't want to tell you to sleep with your mother. They don't tell you to sleep with your child because you want to have power. So many sleep with mad people. So many sleep with pig all because of wealth. Tell me, let me ask you a question. You kill your mother to become a rich man. After you not make the money, because you cannot make the money. All these things they are just wasting their time. Even that idiot that is killer is an organ investor. Which kind of money do you get money? That see motor that place. Nkanka thunder fire and governor of Enugu State, God bless you for destroying his house. I support him. Why are you just supporting that? That is an evil altar. Look at it. It's a woman ritual. Which kind of ritual? Look at the boy that is even dirty. They are doing club. They are wearing sweater. In the club they use sweater. More nge yimu deli for. Kango tabuom. Ngila akwa nge yiri na mpozi ipa anwa hiti ya na-eme mu na abu ego. Now, I cannot spray you money. If you like come in occasion, I will use that money to go and buy yam and cook pounded yam and eat with insala. I will not try it. If you like, call me a stingy man. That was when I went to Jesus church when they were doing child education. Ask them now. I gave them money to the envelope. They were calling me musicians. They are musicians in the church are hyping me to stand up. I feel like Chima Rent Temple. Chima Rent. I was looking. I told my wife, Ndị a chekwa na nga abụ ego. Wa mmụọ na mmụọ na awa. Mgbe wele nwanyị wele envelope ndị brand. Ka ala mana ego ntịele ya. Wee kwụkwụnye ego n'imi ozugbo. Wee nye ya n'aka. Nso wana nakwa mgbe onye na-eti egwu tikati ndị oge na-aga brand ka abịa. Abịa ka napụ m ego bụ ndị oge na nwere saa mikpuo na moto. Ife ọsọ mgba. Ma ọ nwere na ga-anapụ na ya ego mwepụta isi na-eme ọmụba ọfịa afọla agụ. Anụmatụrụ ya egwu. Ọ ga mmụọ ada akụkọ dịla aka ahụ. I know they try that kind of nonsense. I display you money, I know go sakpa hold me. The fuel when I even buy comes self, they pay me for body. It can't be saying I can't spray money. 1 million. Days are gone. They are not spraying good money. Look at the money they are spraying. Like those who are selling Indomie in the suya. 200 naira go old. If it is money ritual, why can't that ritual vomit meant or dollar or pound? These people are organ harvesters. Organ harvesters. One name. I'm going to happy fan. Organ harvesters. That is why if you are going out as a young girl, tell your mother where you are going to. Tell your mother where you are heading to. Tell your father where you are heading to. If you are doing a prostitute, tell your best friend you are going to prostitute work. Even if you are a gago, tell your brother where you are going to, because your friends will go and kill you. They will drug you. They will put drug inside suya. After eating it, you will sleep. Look at that woman in that pit. A pregnant woman for that matter. Yeah, it's not viable as a million. God will punish your generation. I'm not cursing only you. God will punish you. As you kill people's children, may your children, all of them, die together. Because God will punish you. You are an evil soul. Why is it evil soul? No, balai. A father of a killer is a killer. Because if you are my part of thief, I will go be thief. Yes, so mpai is what she use because mpai bo onyoshi abala onyoshi ashawo na amu ashawo onyoshi na amu ashawo onyoshi na amu onyoshi thief they born thief ashawo they born ashawo. Yes, all lineage. Because the man will be tie man nana tie so slab. I'm not fit spray money. If I spray money, I dey want see. I want use my money. I dey find money I take buy cement. See my ground. See my floor. See am. See my cement. I never plaster my cement. My destiny. You say make me or if I can spray you money. When I get problem. When I decide I need money, how to fix my life. Okay? I'm building my future. For me to spray you that money, I think I'm going to pay my children's school fees. Even the next 2 terms. Yes, so. You will let them tell me to come. They don't try, they don't carry ram, can't give me occasion. I tell the man, carry your ram, they go. If I don't come now, you go, toss I don't chop your ram, or no come. They don't invite me, so cloth, don't give me. Black cloth, Pablo. If you see this video, you see, I'm saying it here now. Have you ever seen that black cloth in my body? The answer is no. I only wore it one day. I came back the next day, I burned it. Why did I burn that cloth? Because that cloth is black and black. If I should wear that cloth with you now, we wear black and black, everybody. They will say we are in society. That was why I burned the cloth. And people you give the cloth, they are plenty, not even only me, both musicians, both celebrities, those who want to come for your feast in your village. I dodge. I did not show up because I don't want to wear cloth like you. Colonel line. People will think we are occultic people. That is why I use my brain. I told you that I am not feeling fine. My car is not good. I dodge you because if I did not dodge you, by now, if we wear black, they will see me as an occultic person. And after all, black hair, I use fire. Because African maybe for that is why many people will come to Kesha and say, come and take this cloth. I will sew, give me your size. Let me sew cloth for you. Are you a teller?